my fellow modelers. The Usacc build for 2025. Here is my second update. And I'm not going to show the body yet because I'm going to use that for the reveal. So I decided to go with the Hemi motor that actually came in the kit. And had to modify this NASCAR chassis to kind of fit. I'm really happy with it. I need to add some detail on the bottom, you know, as far as it's going to be kind of scuffed up a little bit, but the body itself is going to be in pretty good condition. Let's see, I got little Fred there. He's driving today. His radio right here, and this is where he plugs in. Now, if his passenger wants to take a ride, he can plug in also right there. Detail there. He has an actual little headphone jack and mic. So this little guy here is just a modified hinge from, I think it's for a dollhouse. And so what I did is, it already had a couple holes, 3 holes in it, and then so I broke it in half, trimmed off this excess. This spring here, this little tiny guy is from the tip of a pin. And now I had no idea this was in there. Started tearing it apart. And you know, it typically has the back side, the back half of the pin, which is what I was looking for, was that spring that's in there. Well, this was actually in the very tip, and you had to pull it all the way apart to find it. But what that allows me to do is blip the throttle here. Come on now. Well, for the wire separators, I also use the exact same. I also used one of the hinges there and just drilled out a couple more holes for it. And let me show you what I have. Hobby Lobby. They're Mayberry Street miniatures for $2.49, and this comes with, I think, 2 pairs of brass hinges. And so if I take one out here, oh, and it also comes with all these little teeny tiny nails, which I don't think I can really use, but now this is what the hinge looks like. Here's a quick comparison of this is what comes in the kit, and this is what I'm building. So that will be hook up like that, and being that I've got little loops here, I should be able to help it pivot. So I'm not sure, I'm not too concerned with that, or that these really come back. I really wanted them to adjust so that I can adjust it based on where I'm going to mount them. So the next update for this will be the actual full reveal, because I am well on the way. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it's turning out. This is definitely my most detailed build I've ever done, and still adding little details here and there, but yeah, I'm having a blast with this one. I've always enjoyed these Usacc builds, and I want to thank Hobby Dude 007, so Mark Baston and Lucas C for putting this on, and thanks for Pat for picking an awesome model, and I will see you guys at the final.